Welcome to Oak Island. I'm Cris Young on the air. The most common question I'm asked is, how often should I have my system maintained by a professional? I recommend once or twice per year. Just like this truck, there are things about this truck that I have maintained by a professional. The air filter, the fuel filter, the oil changes, things like that. Your home comfort system needs to be maintained by a professional. There's things about the new technology of today, and even the older technology, 15 to 20 years old, that needs a professional to look at it. We have a program at Oak Island. We can assist you in that area. But more than anything else, just make sure that your filters are getting changed regularly and having your system looked at by a professional regularly.
You can call Oak Island.